Alright then, just taking a quick look at Vechain on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As always guys, before we begin, please do go down below and get involved with some of our sponsors. Really great way to get some free money, especially when the markets are looking as poor as they have been recently. Loads of free money on offer down below, so make sure you go and sign up because you will be getting some potentially really good deals. You can see them on the screen here. Very obvious good deals that you can get involved with, so make sure you do that. As we can see then, we're looking at Vechain having a little bit of a bounce over the past few days just because Bitcoin has been doing the same. You can see a very high correlation with the price action right now between Vechain and Bitcoin. Obviously Vechain, because of the huge liquidation cascade we saw here, is looking like it's actually dropping less than Bitcoin has been in terms of what its chart looks like. But really Vechain right now has just come down to this bear market range low again, as you can see here. Continuously retesting this at the minute, putting in a massively bearish situation for the vast majority of altcoins right now. You can see Vechain actually lower than it was at the start of the bear market, where we came down into this area here. And this is largely just due to the fact that Bitcoin has been pretty much chopping the market up this entire time. Bitcoin obviously outperforming the altcoin market, I think, by an incredible amount really, but every single time that Bitcoin does these sideways maneuvers before coming up again, you could see every single time this has happened, Vechain has been just getting chopped up by the market. And then the tariff dump that we saw at the start of the year, putting in the range, putting in a closer range across summer, we come down as you would expect when we saw that huge liquidation cascade in the markets, going sideways here, testing into this big daily fair value gap over and over. And when you can't break a fair value gap like this, you do send the price to the downside, along with Bitcoin basically just dragging the entire market to the downside with this big downward move that it's been having. You can see Vechain here looking like it's actually not making that much of a big move to the downside, but it's so down already, it's surely coming into an area of demand in my opinion. The weekly time frame here, you can see for the first time closing down below this 1.5 cent area last week, and in my opinion looking very bearish right now. You can see we tried to pick up during the first stages of this bull market, but overall the altcoin space looking pretty bearish, to be honest. You can see Ethereum here very clearly rejecting after making a very slight new all-time high, and right now altcoins in general just looking really unhappy in general. And it's going to take a while, I think, for us to recover from this area, if we ever do, for the altcoin space. Bitcoin here obviously deciding the way. If we break above this daily fair value gap here, then we'll probably be pumping up. If we reject and continue down, we're going to be coming down towards this 75k area, and it's going to be more pain for altcoins and Vechain. As always guys, I appreciate you watching. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.